Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Telluride. The Kia Telluride is an impressive SUV that boasts a striking exterior look, plenty of interior technology features, additional space for guests in the third row, and a powerful engine leave no doubt that this is an SUV worth talking about. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.